Okay, guys, this is my third and final video. I'm not going to do 6D. Um, I think 6D might be the most challenging one, so I think after seeing this third one, you hopefully will feel pretty good. I do want to remind you that any point you should, assuming you got stuck somewhere, pause it as soon as you get to the point I get you unhooked. And in that way, you can try the rest yourself just to get the practice, because the practice makes a big difference. Just like the other one, you're going to start with 5.00 grams of both these. And it wants to know the number of grams of both these over here. So that's what you want. So I went ahead and figured out the molar mass, and I went ahead and balanced this. Hopefully that worked out okay for you too. So I start off by doing the 5 divided by the 34.1. And so I'm taking this and divided by the molar mass to go up, and that it goes to 0.147, it looks like. Okay. Over here, I'm going to do the same thing. Grams divided by molar mass. So it's 5 divided by 32.00. And I'm going to end up with 0.156. Now, you're like, which one do I go from? Well, remember, when you start with more than 1 grams, you need to figure out which one's the limiting one. That's what that third column is, the third row, and that's the limit one. So remember, the way you do that is you take moles and divide by the coefficient. So in this case here, I would go 0.147 divided by 2, and that would give me 0.00735. And up here I go 0.156, and I divide it by 3. Notice we're getting really tiny numbers. That's not unusual. And I go 0.052. So I'm going to double check here. That makes sense. Oh, no, this point's in the wrong spot. Nah, it's like something's weird there. Yeah, so this case, this one's the smaller number. So O2 will be the one that we are using, and that is the limiting reactant. I like to underline it sometimes just so I know which number I'm working from. That does not count as an answer, by the way. If I ask you which one's limiting, you need to write out oxygen is limiting, right? Just so Mr. Bonifaci is really clear, okay? So we'll start with this one here, and we're going to go ahead and go over there. So I'll go ahead and take the 0.156. I'll divide by the coefficient above, 3. So divided by 3 times the coefficient where I'm going to, which is 2. So times 2. And I'm going to get 0.104. Now, if you pause and think about it, if I have to divide by 3 times 2, I get this number. Well, shockingly, when I divide by 3 and go to 2, it's going to be the same exact number over here, 0.104, right? Same numbers. Now we just need to multiply by grams when going down. So 0.104 times 64.07 is, I got 6.66 here, grams. And then for the final one, 0.104 times 18.2, and I got 1.87, looks like. Let's check out the book on the answers over here. Okay, looking for C, B, C. Oh, there it is. Yep, close enough. Off by 0.01 on both, but that's still a fine answer. So hopefully that helps. Again, you can rewatch these and just kind of listen for hints. Go ahead and remember the assignment here was, as it's listed above, I think it's 4849, but it says right in front of you. Give it a try yourself. I'll try hooking up with you guys later today, or I guess tomorrow, whenever we talk, and see if I can help at all. So